Well, hey y'all, how's everybody doing? I hope everybody's doing well. Now, guys, before we get started, I'm kind of going through a tough situation here. So I'm not back, but I did want to put y'all something up, so I had to get some spoilers up. I got 4 videos I'm planning to get up. Whether I can get them all up or not today, I don't know, but I'm going to try. Because, again, I just had to get y'all something up. Some of you know exactly what my situation is, some of you don't. But just know that I'm currently probably sitting in a subway parking lot uploading this video. It's probably raining and I probably got a tear in my eye. But hopefully I'll be back by the end of the month, guys. Full swing, spoilers, videos, everything. But again, I had to get y'all something up. Well, my check sucks so far, what I'm looking at. So anyways, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get this done. Now, as for the comments, I'm going to have to hold off until I can get my internet back on. So I do apologize for that, and I do appreciate y'all being patient with me. All right, guys, so we're just going to go ahead and get started. Now, again, if you have not yet subscribed. I promise it's not like this all the time. And you know what? Things will get better. They have no choice to. So let's go ahead and get started, guys. I'm going to go ahead and show y'all everything that I have found that is going to be in the BoxyCharm March base box. Now I'm going to show you first the choice items. So guys, let's get started with the choice items. First up is the SelfTaught Beauty Mini Ceramic Curling Iron. This is going to be in pastel yellow or lavender. You could pick that. Or the Murad Hydrodynamic Ultimate Moisture for Eyes. Or you could pick the QMS Lip Line Corrector. Now, guys, let's name off the rest of the spoilers that I found. Now, these other ones are not choice items. So these are most likely variations. So first up is the KVD Vegan, which you know that used to be Kat Von D, but somebody bought her out. It's probably for the best. Probably for the best, y'all. Anyways, the first thing is the Anti-Precision Pencil Eyeliner. Next up is the KVD Metal Crush Liquid Highlighter. Next up is the KVD Lash Liner Liquid Inner Eyeliner. And then we have the KVD Signature Brow Precision Pencil. Next up is the Pharmacy Beauty Very Cherry Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. Then we have this new BoxyCharm palette. Now, this is made by BoxyCharm. It's called the Hello Charmer palette. I think this is absolutely gorgeous, and I think they've done really good. I like it. Again, I can't wait to see what else they come up with. And then last but certainly not least is the Hank and Henry Living in Color Eyeshadow Palette. Guys, that's all I've got for right now. And again, as soon as they come out with anything else, I'll try to get another video out. But again, around the end of the month, I should be back up and going at full speed, y'all. So again, I do apologize for this inconvenience because it's just ruining my life. But you know what? What's that saying? What is it? When you hit rock bottom, the only other place you can go is up. So I'm kind of counting on that. And again, I would like to thank everybody that has donated to my PayPal. I couldn't be more grateful for you guys. I really can't. And it's at a time when I need it the most. And if anybody else can donate to my PayPal, it's listed below. It is much appreciated and more needed than ever. And again, guys, I'll try to get up what I can before then. But you know what? Sitting in these parking lots with people looking at you, it's not that fun. As soon as I get back, expect a video explaining everything. So get ready for that ride, y'all. If you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that button. I promise you, it's not like this all the time. This is the first time this has happened. I just trust that you hit that subscribe button and stick with me. It only gets better, honey. And also, rate the video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up if you liked it, thumbs down if you didn't. If you didn't, it's a little hurtful, but you know what? I'll get over it. And also make sure you ring that bell. That way you are notified every time I upload a video and you'll be there for that video. Probably making you feel better about your own life. And I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one.